I'm Sean Cartwright, co-founder and executive director of TCCII. At the request of many of our students and viewers, we've decided to release some additional footage from our archives. In this video, you will see Dr. Yinong Chong demonstrating movements from the Five Animal Frolics. This is an old family set and is not the commonly seen public version. Enjoy.
This one is tiger, look back and work on the ground. So the step is almost the same here, except you look back. So there's a curve here, head up, and a tongue go. And that's working the circulation of the brain and the heart. Because the tongue is the, we call it the sprout of the heart. And that too work back towards the heart organ and the brain. So what you do is you come down, look up, down, look back, 45 degree up. So open here and neck. See that? The one we had before, the difference is now that you're moving the tendons, you're coming down and bend. Right? So arm and feet. Kick straight and arm, all the tendons tighten down. This one doesn't have that. Just come down, turn, and it's a tongue movement. Ready?
This is Sean Cartwright with TCCII. We hope you enjoyed that video. So like and subscribe so you get all our future videos. And more importantly, leave a comment in the section below. What are you going to do? How are you going to take direct action for your own training and self-improvement? Have a great one.